Class 2 English, Unit 6, Be honest. Look at the beautiful pencils, razors, and other things. Do you like these all? If you see a beautiful razor lying on your friend's desk, what will you do? I would not touch it with his permission. Is it good keeping someone else's things without his or her permission? No, it is not good at all. Have you ever kept your friend's sibling things with you without their permission? No, I have never done so. How do you return them? I return them honestly. Look at the picture and tell what is happening. A mother is giving good pieces of advice to her son. What is honesty in your opinion? Honesty means the quality of being honest. Kaleem liked razor a lot. Do you think Kaleem will return the razor? I think Kaleem will return the razor. It is because he is an honest boy. Why is honesty an important trait of a good person? It is because honesty gives birth to all good qualities. If you were in Kaleem's place, what would you do? I would return the pencil box as soon as possible. Initial and final same sounds. Read them aloud. Same beginning sounds. Pencil, pen, pet. उसके बाद clock, cloud, clap. Same ending sound. Mother, brother, sister. Mistake, lake, bake. King, ring, bring. Read the given words with the same beginning or ending sounds. Think one more word that has the same ending sound. Mat, mad. Bag, bad. Net, neck. Light, like. Grinny, grip. Sun, some. अब एंडिंग साउंड वाले वर्ड्स हिम, डिम. टैब, कैब. टेन, पेन. पेंसिल, यूटेंसिल. इवनिंग, मॉर्निंग. लेस, chess. Read the given routine, greetings and social courtesies and practice them. Hello, how are you? Asma. Hi, I am fine, thank you. What are you doing these days? Asma. I am busy preparing for my exams. Linda. Best of luck for your exams. Asma. Thank you very much. Next, answer these questions. Where were Asim and Kaleem sitting? They were sitting in their classroom. Who had colorful razors and beautiful pencils? Asim had colorful razors and beautiful pencils. Which thing Kaleem brought home by mistake? He brought Asim's pencil box home by mistake. Look at the picture. Read the sentences about it. There is a blackboard in the classroom. There are many chairs in the classroom. Select some common classroom objects from the picture, then write 2 sentences about the classroom objects in your notebook. There is a beautiful clock on the front of wall. A big globe is lying on the teacher's table. Read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. Asim and Kaleem were waiting for their teacher. Asim and Kaleem were showing each other their dash, color pencils and other things. Razors. What was in Kaleem's school bag? Pencil box. The story is about honesty. Vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. Together. इकट्ठे. with each other, without permission, bila ijazat, without asking. Honesty, ईमानदारी, the quality of being truthful. Mistake, गलती, something you do wrong without knowing. Circle the classroom items only. इसमें से सिर्फ जो चीज़ें आपके क्लासरूम में इस्तेमाल होती हैं उन पर आपने सर्कल लगाना है. Think about and write 3 objects related to the classroom and home. Write them in the correct box. Household objects, bed, dishes, blanket. और classroom objects, blackboard, table, chairs. Read and write the given sight words in the shape box that fits. Going, 6, help, let, yellow. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. ERASERS, razors. STATIONERY, stationery. HONESTY, honesty. MISTAKE, mistake. PRAISE, praise. Release, REALISE, release. Read the following masculine and feminine. Brother, sister, uncle, aunt, father, mother, prince, princess. Next question is choose and write the words in the correct box. Masculine में grandfather और इसकी feminine grandmother, nephew, niece, son, daughter, sir, madam. Pronoun. The words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Read the following sentences. Ben is in class 2. He is an honest boy. He pronoun है. Ben and Asim are friends. They are classmates. They pronoun है. My mother is a doctor. She helps me in my studies. She pronoun है. Rewrite the paragraph changing the colored nouns into pronouns in your notebook. Asim has a new razor. It is colorful. Asim likes it. He keeps the razor in the pencil box. Asim and Kaleem are friends. They sit together in the classroom. Miss Amina is their class teacher. She is a nice teacher. आगे बताया गया है प्लूरल नाउन्स डू नॉट टेक इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स आ और एन के प्लूरल्स के साथ आ और एन का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता है. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. देयर इज अ ग्लास ऑन द टेबल. आई हैव पेन्स. यहाँ पर प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल में आ और एन का इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ. आई सा एन एरोप्लेन एट द एयरपोर्ट. आई सा एरोप्लेन्स एट द एयरपोर्ट. ये प्लूरल है, इसमें आ और एन का इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ. कलीम इज़ प्लेइंग विद अ टॉय कार. कलीम इज़ प्लेइंग विद टॉयज. इसमें भी आ का इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ. आसिम हैज़ अ स्टोरी बुक. आसिम हैज़ स्टोरी बुक्स. इसमें भी आ यूज़ नहीं हुआ है. पुट आर्टिकल आ और एन वेयर नीडेड एंड रीराइट द सेंटेंसेस. आई हैव अम्ब्रेला. आई हैव एन अम्ब्रेला. We have story book. We have a story book. Amna is eating orange. Amna is eating an orange. Look at the pictures below and list down the classroom objects. Blackboard, table, chair, book, pencil, razor. Write a sentence for each picture using action and describing words. The boy has woken from deep sleep. Woken, action word, deep, describing word. The boy is drawing a beautiful picture. Drawing, action word, beautiful describing word. What would you do if you are in Kalim's place? Write 5 lines in your notebook. I would feel guilty about bringing Asim's pencil box without his permission. I would phone Asim and tell him about it. I would not open the pencil box. I would keep it with care. I would return it to Asim as soon as possible. तो ये था आज का सबक। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह।